This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we have a Whirlpool top-loading direct drive machine, and we're going to be removing the agitator. So we're going to pry up the standard head screwdriver, this little dust cap, and then we're going to use a 13 millimeter socket with an extension to remove the little bolt that's holding on the agitator. We're going to go lefty-loosey. Might be on there pretty tight. And it's a long bolt, so there's quite a bit of threads to spin out. Once you get it spun out, you can just reach in from the bottom and grab the bottom part of the agitator and pull up. Probably good to reach in with two hands so you have a little bit more leverage, and it should come loose. You might be removing the agitator because you want to do a clutch replacement and you have to pull the transmission out, and to get the transmission out you have to first remove the agitator. So we just pull it up from the bottom, and then it goes back in kind of the same way. You want to put it in and then put the bolt back on. This is just removing these two little parts that are underneath the agitator that are important to remove if you want to pull out the transmission later. So hopefully that's been helpful to you to get the agitator off. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.